All right, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly on how to install step by step the Luckyman seat covers for the back of the F-150 trucks. Now we're going to do the same exact thing on the 60 part here. That was the 40. Make sure you have these unbuckled. This one you're going to notice it doesn't have the buckles here on the sides, which means we're going to have to run these through, fish them through like that to hold it in place. I'll show you. And again, you want to slide these ones. That's probably the only time consuming part, is sliding these in between the cushions and then fishing them from underneath. But just lay it flat. Make sure you push these through first. It's easier if you left this seat up. And then just slide it through. Just pull it slightly from the other side. Make sure you go under the child seat latches here if you're planning on attaching a child seat, which we are. And you'll do the same thing here in the middle. This is a little bit more difficult because I'm trying to also stay out of the way of the cameras so you guys can see this better. But I've got both of them. Here's the first one and here's the second one. You don't really have to worry about how this looks like right now. You just want to go ahead and make sure that you're installing and attaching the latches. Like I said, this is the part you want to bring this over and fish this through. And you'll see it'll hold it in place. And you bring this one up. So this side is done. And we'll do the same thing on the other side here. Again, I'm just trying to not to get in the way of the camera as much as I can, but it looks like I'm gonna have to step up to be able to reach this one. Okay, so here's that. And again, we'll slide that through. Bring this one up. Latch it together. So now this is the part after you've done that. You want to go ahead and straighten it out and make sure that the fitment is right. Again, go under both of these latches here. And pull it a little bit tighter. So adjust it. I'm going to pull the sides a little bit more. I'll come to the other side and pull a little bit more as well. Feels pretty nice and thick. Here, I just want to push that through. There you have it. You still have got great access to the seat belt and the actual latches here for a child seat. And I'm going to just straighten out the other side. There's a little bit of room in it. As you can see here, a little bit of play. It's not super tight on, but overall, pretty impressive so far. Okay, we'll do the back side. If you're familiar with it, the 60 part of the back seat of the Ford F-150 is really tough to actually unlatch. On mine, it actually didn't have a little rope here to release this, so I had to actually get a tool. That's a whole separate thing by itself. I'm gonna do another one with a latch attachment from a third company. I'll do a video on that to show you guys how to replace it and make this easier for when you need to get back here. But it's not these two. These are just for the child seat to attach to. So don't get that mixed up and try to pull on it. It's not going to do anything at all. So we're going to install the 60% first. And as you see, I already have the discs installed, and I'm going to just slide those through. And now just realize when you're sliding these ones back, these are actually going to go slightly upwards. So there's one, and here's the second one. By the way, I'm realizing I didn't have to remove this one, so you don't have to do that for yours. And you don't really need to remove this one either. I just did because I was kind of going in the back trying to unlatch. But basically, if it's on, all you want to do is just slide it up slightly to be able to actually put this around and latch it again in the back, just like that, to hold in place. And then just check these two back here. Make sure they're all the way through. And that's it for this side. I don't want to push this back yet because in case we need to get back there again. Let's put the middle one back on. There we go. Okay, I'm going to come out the other side and I'm going to install the last piece and zip those together. Okay, just like the other side, again, we want to just slide these ones through. This side, as you guys know, is a lot easier to bring down. It's got the little latch here. Just pull that forward and drop it down. So one side is through and the second side is through. So undo that, bring it up and around both sides, and then buckle it again together. Just like that. Zipper is here at the bottom. Just pull them together and zip that up, and then you can actually put the zipper in the back there and slide this behind. We'll do this side. That's nice and easy. I think maybe on these new ones, it's a 25. This seems like it's thicker than what these are meant for, but we'll try it again. Yeah, so the middle one, FYI, for 2025 doesn't fit. Not a huge deal, but it'd be nice if they had the right size for that. Okay guys, so that was the full installation for the Luckyman seat covers. If you guys want to see a comparison, check out our other video between the Luckyman and the Eric Schwann seat covers.